Today's video will cover compound sentences. Compound means that something is made up of two or more parts. For example, compound words are two words put together to make a new word. Lip plus stick makes lipstick. Sun plus flower makes sunflower. Arm plus chair makes armchair. Now, a compound sentence is a sentence made up of two or more simple sentences. Sentences in a compound sentence are equal, so they are joined by a coordinating conjunction. Now, the adjective coordinate means equal in rank or importance. Basically, they're matching. We've talked about them as fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Here's another picture. If this one helps you remember better, there's a fan and boys. Here's a very important point. A coordinating conjunction can join words, phrases, or simple sentences. Here's a couple examples of fanboys joining words. Tom and Anna. Maybe that's the subject of a sentence. Tom or Anna. Neither Tom nor Anna. Here's an example of fanboys joining phrases. We work before school and after dinner. Now notice before school and after dinner are both prepositional phrases. Do you want to eat Chinese food or try the new Thai place? Here, the word or is joining a verb phrase. Want to eat Chinese food is joined with try the new Thai place. I don't like rude people nor mean dogs. Here, nor is joining two noun phrases, rude people nor mean dogs. Compound sentences are when the coordinating conjunction or the fanboy joins two simple sentences. Our focus is going to be on and, but, and so. When I think of and, I think of a sentence where both sides of the conjunction and are going in the same direction. Both sides are positive or both sides could be negative. For example, I like coffee and I really like chocolate. Both of these are going in a positive direction, so and is the best choice. But means the two sides are going in opposite directions. One simple sentence is going positive and the other simple sentence is going in a negative direction. And it could go either way. For example, I like coffee, but it gives me heartburn. So the first side, I like coffee, is positive. The second side, it gives me heartburn, is negative. Again, here are the arrows to repeat it. Positive coffee, negative heartburn. So is a little bit different. This shows some kind of causal relationship. I have heartburn, so I'll take an antacid. One side is the cause, I have heartburn. The other side is the result, so I'll take an antacid. To repeat, the format is simple sentence, comma, then one of the fanboys, then another simple sentence. Very, very important. We always put a comma before the coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence. For example, Carl eats pizza, comma, and he really likes it, period. I'm hungry, comma, but I don't have cash, period. I want money, comma, so I need to work. And again, notice in the first sentence, Carl eats pizza, he really likes it, both going in a positive direction. Next sentence, I'm hungry, not positive or negative per se, but the next side is definitely negative. I don't have cash, so I'm not going to get to eat right now. Our last sentence, I want money, is the cause, so I need to work, is the result. In class, when you're given a list of sentences and you have to decide, do I have a simple sentence or a compound sentence, begin by asking this question. What does the coordinating conjunction join? Is it putting together two words, two phrases, or two simple sentences? Let's look at some examples. Marie and Mario are happy. What is and joining? It's joining two words, Marie and Mario. Marie walks to school and to the store. What is and joining? It's joining two phrases, in this case, two prepositional phrases, to school and to the store. Marie walks to school and Mario goes to the store. What is and joining? It's joining two sentences. Marie walks to school is a complete sentence. Mario goes to the store is also a complete sentence. And notice when and joins two sentences, we need the comma. Let's look at another example. John or Amy will drive the car. What does or join? It joins words, John or Amy. John walks to school or takes the bus. What does or join? Or joins two verb phrases, walks to school or takes the bus. John walks to school or Amy drives him. What does or join? It joins two sentences. John walks to school is a sentence. Amy drives him is also a complete sentence. And notice we need the comma before the coordinating conjunction or. Here's another example. Bobby eats broccoli but doesn't like it. What is but joining? It's joining two verb phrases. Eats broccoli is one verb phrase. Doesn't like it is another verb phrase. Bobby eats broccoli, but he doesn't like it. Here we are joining two sentences. Bobby eats broccoli, comma, but he doesn't like it. And notice the difference. Here, but is only joining a phrase because the words after the word but do not contain a subject. In this sentence, we have the subject he. So now we have a compound sentence. Tom reads a story, yet forgets it immediately. What does the word yet join? It joins two phrases, two verb phrases. Reads a story is joined with forgets it immediately. Compare that with this sentence. Tom reads the story, yet he can't remember it. Here, yet is joining two complete sentences. Tom reads the story, complete sentence. He can't remember it is another complete sentence. We need the comma before the word yet. Thank you for listening, and remember that you are awesome.